Dr. Osterberg, tell me, what is the difference in terms of treatment, in terms of what you guys fix between you, chiropractors, and physical therapists? Aren't they pretty close to the same thing?
You know, there is a lot of overlap between chiropractors and physical therapists. We treat a lot of the same conditions. We treat a lot of the same patients. And this is a great question because there are probably a lot of patients out there trying to decide, should I go see a physical therapist or should I go try a chiropractor for this back condition or this neck condition? First of all, I'd like to say we have a lot of great physical therapists in my county. I'm only familiar with York County here in Pennsylvania, but we have some physical therapists with just wonderful reputations. And so even though there's some competition, you know, we treat the same conditions, I believe that we all get along very well and we're all on the same team trying to get the best results for the patients. Now, as far as the differences between chiropractors and physical therapists, let's parallel the extremes. Chiropractors tend to focus on passive care, which means we do things to the patients. Some chiropractors focus too much on passive care, where they spend a lot of time doing things to the patients. Come to me and I'll treat you. I'll use some therapy on you. I'll use my hands on you. And they keep doing that and doing that and doing that. And to their fault, they don't make the change and progress patients into exercise and active care and rehabilitation and help them to increase their function. So they end up doing passive things to patients too long. On the other hand, physical therapists are very good at getting patients to exercise, getting patients active. But the latest research on acute back injuries tells us that we don't want to start people into active care and exercise too early. We want to get them on exercise rehab eventually, but we don't want to start it too early or it's going to be counterproductive. And occasionally I see patients who went to the physical therapist first. They started on exercises right away. They got worse and the patients threw in the towel and said, I'm done with this. I want to try another approach. So while physical therapists are very good at getting people exercising, sometimes they could do a little more passive care and slow down with the exercise. I think that our approach of evidence-based care is a really good marriage of the two. We start patients with passive care, we monitor their function, and every patient gets transferred over to an active care program that's designed specifically for that patient, specifically for their own functional deficits.
Okay. All right. So does a physical therapist adjust a patient also, or not? He's kind of like only making the person move, and he knows, of course, what needs to move to rehabilitate the thing, which a chiropractor, or at least a chiropractor like you, does as well, right?
That's right. There's a lot of overlap in what we do. Now, physical therapists do not use chiropractic adjustments. They don't use what's called spinal manipulation. However, they do manual therapy, which it's a similar technique, but it's slower. There are small differences. I don't know that there are big differences in the research as far as the effectiveness, but I know the effectiveness of what we use for back and neck pain has an 81% success rate with our patients in our office.
I see. Would you say that in another interview you told me that you're very big on patient's home care? You know, so basically you adjust the patient, you do what he has to do, you assist him because he's just going to have a hard time doing it himself. You get him to a functionable stage, and then you kind of send him home doing what I assume are exercises and, things. Would those home therapies be a little bit, could they be something a physical therapist also tells them?
Yes, it's possible. Absolutely. Everything that we do in our office with our patients, every time a patient comes to see us to be treated, our goal is to get them to the point that we can transition them over to a home-based exercise program. It's effective, it's cost-effective, and it also helps with prevention in the future, which is part of our big goal. Now, as far as the overlap with rehabilitation in our office, just like in every profession, there are some great physical therapists and there is just some run-of-the-mill physical therapists. What can help make the difference between that And an average physical therapist will just tear off an exercise sheet and say, here you go, you have a back problem, here, do these 10 back exercises, and everybody gets the exact same thing. Now, there's some great physical therapists who work very much like us, where they take each patient and they run a series of tests and say, okay, how is your flexibility? Oh, that muscle group's fine. Well, how's your flexibility over here? Okay, that muscle group's in trouble. Let's tighten up the loose muscles and let's stretch out the muscles that are too tight, and let's create a program that's very tailored for this patient. That's how we work in our office. Now, every patient goes through a series of 25 tests with normal data where we look at strength, we look at flexibility and range of motion, we look at balance, we look at posture, we look at muscle endurance, and we also look at global conditioning of the body. And we're looking for how does this patient compare with normal patients who don't have back and neck pain, and how can we help build up each of these 25 areas so that they can get the best possible outcome for the long run.
Great. Okay. So physical therapists and chiropractors do have a lot in common. Nevertheless, chiropractors don't do adjustment, and basically the patient does it himself, which is great. But sometimes starting off with the patients doing it himself is not quite as effective as getting that assistance, from the chiropractor, basically.
Yes.
Good. Well, very informative, like always, Dr. Osterberg. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.